What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Winnie City Homie here, guys, and today we're inside of the Mamalona two-door, and that's because we have arrived to the good old range USA. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start getting ready to go inside right now. I just wanted to talk to you guys beforehand. Let me turn this off because then you can definitely hear the echo in the background. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick first before going in there, because I know once we hit in the range, you guys won't be able to hear jack shit I say. But today, guys, we brought in our AK and our AR pistol with our Glock 19 and our Glock 23. So I'm pretty much wanted to show you guys our both loadouts, our Call of Duty loadouts, whatnot. I got obviously my ARP. You guys seen that before. For the new viewers, the new subscribers, I'm definitely going to be showing you guys that. My ARP and my Glock 19, that's my first loadout, so to say, Call of Duty terms. And then obviously I wanted to shoot some 7.62. So that's the whole reason why I brought my AK and obviously my Glock 23. It's a 40 Smith & Wesson. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go inside the range, go ahead and start prepping and start shooting some AR, some AKs, and some Glocks. So yeah, other than that, like I said, I wanted to talk to you guys beforehand going in there, because like I said, you guys won't be able to hear me at all. So yeah, other than that, you guys keep staying in tune.
Same one. It's just
19? Which
the
one?
20.
The 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want that later. Yeah, I got the
Baby one.
whatever you want to shoot on this. Whatever you want to shoot. Yours is the right side.
All right.
Alright, see if you guys can kind of see him and stuff. So obviously I shot the 19, and then he shot his 19. So that way you guys can see. But this motherfucker little as hell, guys. Look at this. The LCP. What this is, 9? 380. So we're gonna go one more time real quick. We're trying to do a little bit of a friendly competition, guys.
Here. Try the 10.
10 mil?
Yeah.
You don't want to shoot your hollows?
Nah, shoot 'em.
You sure? Guys, we're gonna try the big boy. 20. That bitch kicks. Hey, that 10 mil is no joke. That bitch kicks. Go ahead. Sorry to interrupt this video, guys, and today I just wanted to remind you guys that we still have the 750 subscriber count giveaway. We're giving out the dual muffler completely free. Like I said, the routing of the piping, the installation, the muffler itself, 240 series Flow Master mufflers. So don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once we hit 750 subscribers, we're gonna go ahead and hit that giveaways the same way we did for the 500 subscriber count. And as we keep going, we're gonna go ahead and give out more giveaways. So you guys want to make sure to hit that subscribe button, to make sure you let your brother, your mom, your dad, your sister, whoever it is, to go ahead and subscribe to Windy City Homie on YouTube. Then once we hit 750 subscribers, we're gonna go ahead and run that giveaway. So yeah, other than that, we'll go ahead and get back to the video.
Is that it?
Now we're gonna do some 40 out of the Smith & Wesson. And just to let you guys know, we're shooting at 7 yards. So now we're shooting 240, so Glock 23 and Smith & Wesson here. I'm gonna do like 5 times out of this one. God damn. Now we're gonna shoot the Glock. Alright, did 5 shots on each.
On the top.
That was yours. That was a Smith & Wesson.
Okay, but I mean, what targets are you?
I shot the left side. Yeah, you shoot the right one. So you could do yours, the right one on top, and then mine, the one in the middle, right? Yeah, you feel it, right? Nigga, I felt it too when I shot it. I was like, damn, and the reset is way too far.
Yeah.
But go ahead, finish it. You did all in the corner?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because you only had 3. When we first did it, we only had.
Yeah. I don't know. Even it has less.
Yeah. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and bring out the ARP. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the. So we're doing 30 shots. it's sitting a little bit low left.
All right.
So that's, yeah, if you want to compensate from there.
All right.
Finish?
No, it's still something.
Finish it. Can you see? Yeah, you're hitting better than me. That was my side. That's your side. Yeah, you're hitting better than me.
How much you pay for that site? How much?
Like something.
Nice.
But it's the they got the rent
Is that separate or combo?
you can buy it as a combo, you can buy it separate.
Because I want to get that site, but FDE.
FTE. Yeah, no, this one it has 3 different options, but I mean it's solar panel. I like it. I mean, you know, for what it is. Like I said, for both of them, I think I paid like 6 something. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I think I paid like 6 something. I think it was like $250 for this one, and then like $300 for this one. So somewhere around that ballpark. But like I said, you can buy it either together or separate. But I buy it directly off of Hollister.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't buy it from here because right here, it's more expensive. Hell yeah.
So I want to get that for mine. No,
It's nice and clear and still there. And then like I said, if you bring it in, that magnifies everything, so you bring it a little bit more closer. You know what I mean?
yeah.
So
That's nice.
yeah, it's up to you. If
This
you want.
doesn't bother you?
Nah.
No?
For me, it's decent. Well, it's because the way I hold it differently than everybody else. I know a lot of people they hold it like this.
Yeah.
For me, it's more comfortable holding it like this. So that way, it's not really hitting, you know. So it's just sitting up on top, and I'm not really blocking my sight. So it really depends on how you feel personally. For me, this is what it works. It got the green, and then it has the flashlight as well too, or just flashlight. You know what I mean?
Nice.
So this is my home defense, so I gotta have a little bit more defense stuff, you know. But yeah, like
That's
I said,
what size is that?
this
That's
is
the
a
AR
10.5.
pistol, right?
Yeah, this is 10.5. Has the pistol brace. It's 10.5. It has the bottom grip, obviously the Hollison, and then I got the.
Oh, but you got the Ruger. I got the Smith & Wesson AR 15.
Smith & Wesson?
The pistols.
I feel like they're all pretty decent.
It's the
You
same.
know, yeah, it's the same thing. I mean, for me personally, the 10.5 is way better than the full size.
Yeah.
The 16, I feel like it's way too heavier. I mean, this one, even though it's fully decked out, it's not really heavy. You know what I mean? So, but I mean, for me personally, this is what it works. The only thing I do want to change this, definitely the grip and the trigger.
I want to change this on mine. It's
Yeah,
too hard.
this one's a little bit worn out. So, I mean, give this one a try. It's a little bit worn out.
Yeah, mine is like super stiff.
Is it brand new?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta break it in.
Yeah,
Yeah, you gotta break it in. But the thing about the ARs, you cannot baby them. You just gotta hold it and then let it go. Because if you try to baby it, you're gonna get jammed.
yeah, I get that one.
Yeah, you just let it go. Because like I said, this one, the buffer tube, it has to push into the push rod to your ammo. So if you try to just baby it, you're gonna get jams. So you just pull it out and just let it go, and then just keep breaking it loose. You know. But shit, I mean, I'm starting to build it up here and there, but shit, it gets expensive. Yeah, it gets expensive. Now we're gonna go use AK-47, guys, 7.62. Doing the same thing, guys, 10 yards.
The Coronas is mine, the rifle is mine. His is the 1911 and we went to the shotgun.
That's the only thing I don't have in my collection, the shotgun.
I want to get one too. Okay, wow.
Ah, that's cool. Pull the thing back.
Yeah. I like this one.
Guys, the red dot battery, they died. You need the little Allen wrench screws to take them off. So I'm trying to hit something, but it's not hitting. So I'm just gonna concentrate on center mass.
3, 4, 5.
Oh, I'm tweaking. I'm gonna do something. I brought it a little bit closer. I'm not hitting it, guys. See, I'm aiming in the middle. Yeah. It's going to the hip. That's way too quick. So now we're going to the 380. I'm gonna go to 6. Dang, look at this shit, guys. Shit, that was too little, man. Alright, so like I said, we had some technical difficulties. The fucking light, it flew away. The red dot decided to die. So I should have checked that yesterday before loading everything up. So that was on me. But yeah, we're almost done. We got about like 10 minutes or so. So we're just gonna wrap up everything. We're probably gonna do some fun shooting and then kind of go from there, guys. Who knows? I'm gonna do a few more rounds of the 10 mil. It's different than mine. Yeah, it's not magging that one yet. Hey bro, I sold you out. Dang, that shit kicks. That 10 mil kicks, guys. Five more rounds of 10 mil and then we're done. Alright guys, with that being it for the video, as you guys can see, we're finally out the range. And again, I do apologize guys if you didn't hear anything I said inside the range. Pero as you guys saw, my homie El Compa Damian 87, yeah, make sure you follow him on YouTube as well. he pulled up with a couple of firearms, the ones that we were trying to compare who was better, and then everything turned left and we just decided to go say, hey, let me test out yours, you test out mine type thing. So no diddy. So yeah, obviously we let him shoot the AR, we let him shoot the AK. The AK, we had technical difficulties, guys, as I was trying to explain. The red dot, it died with the battery. I thought I brought a spare battery just in case, because I knew that when I did slap it about a year ago, I just set it in the safe. Never shot it ever again or anything like that, and so I knew the battery was kind of weak. But like I said, unfortunately, I didn't have it with me. And so yeah, we had some technical difficulties with the AK, but overall, I mean, we still had some fun in the range. The hour went by so quick. So yeah, we're pretty much wrapping up the video. Obviously, like I said, everything was just to be comparing AKAR, Glock 19, Glock 23, but everything, obviously, like I said, my boy pulled up. As soon as I was paying, he called me and said, hey, I'm on the way. So that's when, like I said, everything in the video changed. But yeah, I mean, it was still the same situation. We just came to hit the range. We were a little bit rusty. Obviously, the wire's starting to be a little bit nicer and stuff. So but we wanted to shoot the AK and the AR, so that's where we came to the indoors one. We didn't went over there with my boy. Pero you guys stay tuned for that content. We're definitely going to be hitting the outdoor range with my boy over there. So yeah, other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and you guys stay tuned for the next one. Peace.